These are the charts on PayPal, and if we scroll up to the monthly chart, PayPal is sitting at a very critical level as price is within a monthly buyer's level at $52. The zone was formed back in June of 2017. You had a rally in price, base in candle, and then a rally out. So price hasn't been back at these levels in 6 years. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article to see if we can get any clues as to where price might be headed next. So PayPal may tempt contrary investors. Right now, PayPal stock trades for only 10.8 times earnings. So it's trading at a very low valuation when compared to Square, who has a lofty 25.2 times forward earnings. So both companies are in the fintech arena, and on a valuation standpoint, if you had to buy one uh, based on valuation, you would buy PayPal. Still, before you run out and grab a position in PayPal, on the view that it's a deep value play among the fintech, keep in mind that there's a very good reason the market is currently pricing this stock at such a discounted valuation. So fintech stocks have sold off considerably in response to the Fed's increase in rates, PayPal no exception. Higher interest rates bode badly for economic growth. They also have a negative impact on stock valuation, and we've seen that over the last, say, prior to this year anyway, last going 21 and 22, when interest rates started going higher, we had a market hit the tops and decline a bit. Since then, this past year, prices have recovered, although we are in a slight decline at the moment. Slowing growth and multiple compression helps to explain why PayPal stock has gone from richly priced at over $300 per share to dirt cheap in the low 50s. Yet, while underwhelming growth has pushed shares into value territory, don't assume that it can't get worse from here. Sure, during Q2, PayPal's revenue grew 7%, earnings increased by 24%. However, discussed earlier, during that same quarter, PayPal's user numbers increased by less than 1% year over year and declined on a sequential basis. But whatever the reason, in time, a lack of user growth will likely start to have an impact on PayPal's top and bottom lines. With this, the market is taking a show me view regarding the company's turnaround plans. Besides competition, if economic conditions worsen before improving, this could affect not just the performance of PayPal's core payment business, but its fledgling buy now, pay later segment as well. There's no need to rush into a position. Sit tight for now and wait for more news to arrive. Although PayPal stock could rally post earnings, it could just as easily slide down on lackluster results and disappointing guidance. So I'm in agreement with the article. Again, if you have conviction and you have a longer term outlook on PayPal, then you buy now because it was at $300. It's been slashed to $52. However, if you're a little bit more conservative, what you want to do is you want to look for a reversal on a smaller time frame. So kind of looking at the weekly chart, you can see price is still making lower highs and lower lows. And you can see if we go down to the daily chart, we just broke a pivot low, which caused us to price action to be in a down channel, and then that eventually broke as well. However, if you can look on the week, you can see we had a gap higher to begin the week, and price is green for the week. But that doesn't mean anything quite yet. And if I scroll to the left, just kind of look at that zone that was formed, just kind of looking at the structure. The meat of it is here. I like this little thing. This level here, you had a rally, two basic candles and rally out. So 48. So again, if you're aggressive, your stop would be at the $48 level. If you're conservative like me, you want to see some type of turnaround. So this is the daily chart, and I want to see volume kick in. I would love to see a double bottom to kind of confirm the bottom is in. And then ideally I want to see this level be taken out. Why? Because it was a gap down, which means that you had sellers at the $54 level. So for me, I would want to see price take out this $54 level, kind of retest the apex of the W pattern, and potentially that'll be an area to go long. So be patient, no need to rush. However, again, if you have a long-term financial objective and time horizon, PayPal is not a bad idea to get in now. But again, I would wait even if you are an aggressive trader. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.